How to update your GoPro 9, 10, 11 or 12. Now to update the software on your GoPro, you need to install the GoPro app on your device. So either on the Android phone or on your iPhone, go to the App Store and install the Quik app. So here you want to go to Play Store if you're on a Google phone and you want to install GoPro Quik video editor and then install the app. Next you want to tap on GoPro, so tap on the GoPro tab at the bottom here and tap on connect a GoPro. Here it will try to search for a camera. On your GoPro you need to turn on the settings, so what you want to do is on the GoPro we're going to go back to the main screen here. So on your phone select your model. I'm going to select mine, Hero 9 Black, and then it said if you scroll down, so we scroll down, then swipe across, and here we tap on connections and then tap on connect device and then choose the app. So here I'm going to choose Quik app, and here it said here connect device and tap GoPro app. Now it said we found your GoPro, so tap on connect, and you can see here say connections successful. After that, start recording. Now on your phone just tap on save new name, and then I'm going to choose I'll do this later, and say Hero 9 Black is ready, so we'll say your GoPro is ready. At the bottom here tap on GoPro tab, and when you tap on the GoPro tab, if there are new updates for your GoPro camera, it will notify you, and from there you can just tap on the update button to update your camera. Now if you tap on the settings icon, in here are the camera preferences. You can go through the list here and make the changes to your GoPro camera. So there's a lot of settings in here that you can set once you install the app on your mobile device. And that's it. So that is how you can update your GoPro camera. Here you can see it says install the Quik apps on your phone to finish setup. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.